If you ask me, where does coconut go well with mango, I would definitely say yes. I tell you, this is a very delicious combo that I had tried, and I'm very sure that you will also love it. Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel. So let's jump to the recipe. Make a big hole in the center of fresh coconut. Take out all water and scoop out all malai. In a blender, take coconut water, malai and mango chunks with some ice cubes. Blitz everything together till smooth. That's it. Your mango coconut crush is ready. Enjoy. Follow me for more. See you soon. Bye. Anya.